Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Easy English Podcast.
In this video, we guide you on how to be consistent in 2026.
We will share 8 rules to stay consistent in your life.
If you are new here,
Please subscribe to our channel. Let's start the video.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Easy English Podcast. I'm Elisa, and I'm so happy to be here with you today.
Hi there, I'm John, and I'm excited too. How are you doing today, Elisa?
I'm good, thank you. But honestly, you look very happy today.
Do I?
Yes, really. You look extra excited. Is there any reason?
Yes, actually, today is a special day for me.
Oh, really? What happened?
I finally bought my favorite car today.
Wow, that's wonderful. Congratulations.
Thank you. I worked for this for a long time.
I'm sure you did. It must feel very special.
Yes, it does. It makes me feel proud and thankful.
John, many people look at you and think he is successful.
Maybe, but it didn't happen in one day.
So what helped you the most?
Honestly, doing small things every day.
You mean consistency.
Yes, not doing big things, just doing simple things again and again.
That's nice, because many people feel tired and stop too early.
That's true. They start with energy, but life becomes busy.
And then slowly they give up.
But they don't have to.
Exactly. That's why today's topic is important.
Today we are talking about how to stay consistent in 2026.
Staying consistent, not for one day, not for one week, but for the long run.
Whether it's learning English, starting a YouTube channel, building a business, or even fixing your daily routine.
Or going to the gym, or waking up early, or reading one page of a book every day.
Consistency touches everything.
And the funny thing is, most people already know what they should do.
Yeah, the problem is not knowledge.
The problem is showing up again and again.
So, we're going to share something very practical with you.
In this conversation, we'll share 8 simple rules that helps you to stay consistent in your life.
Not rules that sound good only in videos, but rules that actually work when motivation is low.
If you truly try to follow these rules, honestly, it will change your life.
That's why we really suggest one thing. Stay with us till the end of this podcast. And if you are new here, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends.
So let's start with the first rule. And honestly, this rule sounds very simple.
Yeah, so simple that many people ignore it.
Rule number 1 is this. Start small, but show up daily.
Most people fail at consistency because they start too big.
They want to change everything at once. One day they decide, I'll wake up early, work hard, learn new skills, stay focused, do everything perfectly.
And for 1 or 2 days, they actually do it.
But then reality hits. They get tired, they feel overwhelmed, and slowly they stop.
Consistency doesn't break because people are weak. It breaks because the plan was too heavy.
That's why starting small matters.
Instead of saying, I'll work for 3 hours, say, I'll work for 10 minutes.
Instead of saying, I'll make perfect content, say, I'll just show up today.
Daily action is more important than big effort.
Because showing up daily builds identity. All right, so moving on to the second rule, and this one is super important.
Rule number 2 is this: don't wait for motivation.
Yeah, because most people think, I'll do it when I feel motivated.
And that's the trap.
Exactly. Motivation is unreliable. It comes and goes.
Sometimes you wake up full of energy and focus. Other days, not even a little.
And if you wait for motivation, you'll end up waiting forever.
That's why this rule is simple. Don't wait to feel like it. Start anyway.
Even if you feel tired, even if you feel lazy, even if you think, I'll just skip today.
Because showing up matters more than feeling perfect.
Think about it like this. Action creates motivation, not the other way around.
Exactly. When you start doing something, you get energy from progress.
It's a weird thing, but it works every time.
Most people try to wait for the perfect feeling, but consistency isn't about feeling perfect.
All right, so moving on to the third rule. This one is a game changer.
Rule number 3 is fix a schedule, not your mood.
Absolutely, because most people think, I'll do it when I feel ready.
And that's the problem, right?
Exactly. Your mood changes constantly. Some days you're excited, some days you're tired or lazy.
If you follow your mood, you'll never be consistent.
One day you feel great, you work hard. Next day you feel lazy and you skip everything.
Consistency isn't about waiting for the perfect mood. It's about creating a non-negotiable schedule.
Decide a time every day and stick to it no matter how you feel.
Even if you don't feel like it, even if the world feels against you.
Because showing up consistently builds discipline, not motivation, and discipline beats mood every single time.
For example, if you want to work on your YouTube channel, don't wait until I feel creative today.
Decide a fixed time, maybe 6 p.m. every day, and that's it.
No excuses, no mood checking. You sit, you work, you create.
Even if you're tired, even if inspiration hasn't hit.
Because action at a fixed time becomes automatic. It turns into a habit.
All right, let's talk about Rule 4. This is one of the most important rules, honestly.
Rule number 4 is be consistent, not perfect.
Yeah, because most people get stuck trying to be perfect.
Exactly. They think, if I can't do it perfectly, why even try?
And that's the fastest way to stop being consistent.
Consistency isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up again and again.
Even when you make mistakes, even when things aren't perfect.
Because perfection is impossible, and waiting for perfect conditions kills consistency.
Most people wait for motivation, energy, inspiration, and perfect circumstances.
And when none of it shows up, they quit.
But think about this. If you focus on consistency over perfection, you allow yourself to start small, to make mistakes, to learn as you go.
Even a messy, imperfect effort is better than no effort at all.
Exactly. Done is always better than perfect, and the more you show up, even imperfectly,
The more progress you make, the more confidence you build.
even if the result isn't perfect, your habit is growing.
And habits are the real power behind long-term success.
All right, let's move on to Rule 5. This one is very important for people who feel discouraged easily.
Rule number 5 is slow progress is still progress.
Yeah, because most of us want quick results.
Exactly. We start something and expect big changes immediately.
And when results don't appear fast, we get frustrated. We stop.
And that's where consistency usually fails.
But here's the truth. Slow progress is still progress. Even tiny steps forward count.
Even 1 minute of work, one small action, one small habit adds up.
For example, if you're learning English, reading one sentence a day seems tiny.
But after a month, that's 30 sentences. After a year, 365 sentences.
And that's real progress, even if it feels slow.
The problem is we compare our journey with others.
Yeah, we see someone else making rapid progress and feel like we're behind. And that comparison kills motivation.
So this rule is simple. Celebrate every little step, no matter how small.
All right, let's talk about Rule 6. This one is really powerful, especially for those days when you feel like giving up.
Rule number 6 is remember why you started.
Yeah, because everyone hits that point, the day when you feel tired, bored, or frustrated.
And at that moment, most people stop. They think, why am I even doing this?
Exactly. That's where remembering your why becomes a game changer.
Your why is the reason you started in the first place. It's the purpose behind your actions.
For example, if you started learning English, maybe your goal is to speak confidently, travel, or get a better job.
Or if you started exercising, your why could be to stay healthy, feel strong, or have more energy.
Exactly. But when you remember your why, it fuels you. Even when motivation is gone, it reminds you of your bigger picture.
All right, moving on to Rule 7. And rule number 7 is protect your focus. And this one is crucial because focus is the foundation of consistency.
And this one is crucial because focus is the foundation of consistency. You can have motivation, a schedule, and a strong why, but if your focus is weak, none of it really works.
Exactly. Focus is like a muscle. If you protect it, it grows stronger. If you let distractions take over, it weakens.
And today, distractions are everywhere. Phones, social media, notifications, emails.
Even small interactions break your rhythm, and once your rhythm breaks, consistency suffers.
So this rule is simple. Protect your focus.
Create an environment that makes focus easy and distractions hard.
For example, when you're working, put your phone on silent or in another room.
Use apps or tools to block distracting websites if you're studying or creating content.
Even organizing your workspace helps. A clean desk, a quiet environment. It all supports focus.
All right, now we're at Rule 8, and honestly, this is one of the most powerful rules of all. Rule number 8 is become the person who never quits.
Yeah, and rules 1 to 7 give you tools, strategies, and habits, but this one is about mindset.
Exactly. Consistency isn't just about what you do, it's about who you become.
You need to see yourself as the kind of person who never quits.
Not someone who works hard for a week, a month, or even a year, but someone who shows up no matter what.
Think about it. When challenges hit, when motivation is gone, when progress is slow.
Think about it. When challenges hit, when motivation is gone, when progress is slow,
You don't just act consistent, you become consistent.
every action reinforces that identity. Every day you show up, even imperfectly, you prove to yourself.
I am the kind of person who doesn't quit.
And once your identity is built, consistency becomes automatic.
You stop relying on motivation. You stop overthinking.
Because it's not a decision anymore, it's who you are.
All right, so that's it. We've gone through all 8 rules for staying consistent.
Yeah, and if you think about it, these rules aren't just tips. They're a mindset, a way to approach life.
Let's quickly recap. Rule 1, start small, but show up daily. Rule 2, don't wait for motivation. Action creates motivation. Rule 3, fix a schedule, not your mood. Rule 4, be consistent, not perfect. Rule 5, slow progress is still progress. Rule 6, remember why you started. Rule 7, protect your focus. Rule 8, become the person who never quits.
All of these together create a system that makes staying consistent easier.
And the most important thing, it's not about being perfect, it's about showing up over and over again.
Because consistency compounds. Small actions repeated every day lead to big results over time.
And the best part is, you can start today. No excuses, no perfect conditions needed.
So stay consistent, stay patient, and keep going.
We'll see you next time. Keep showing up because every small step counts.
Bye for now.
Bye.